Hello, little explorers! Today we're diving under the sea to meet some amazing ocean animals. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! Look! A dolphin! The dolphin says, "Eee!" Dolphins are smart and love to jump and play. Wow! It's a big blue whale! Whales sing songs underwater. Can you hear the whale's song? Here's a clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones. They're small, cute, and colorful. Look at that jellyfish. It floats and wiggles through the water. But be careful. Some jellyfish can sting. An octopus. It has 8 arms and can squirt ink. Octopuses are great at hiding. A starfish. It has 5 arms and sticks to rocks. Starfish don't swim. They crawl slowly. Here comes a sea turtle. It swims with its flippers and loves to eat seaweed. Can you find the tiny seahorse? It has a curled tail and swims upright. So cute and special. Snap, snap! It's a crab. Crabs walk sideways with their big claws. They love to hide in the sand and rocks. A shark. Sharks have lots of teeth, but not all are scary. Some sharks are gentle and swim slow. Yay! You did great exploring today. Yeah! We met so many ocean friends. Dolphin, whale, clownfish, jellyfish, octopus, starfish, turtle, seahorse, crab, and shark. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. See you next time, little explorers. For more fun, colorful, and educational videos, subscribe to Tiny Tots Learning. Bye-bye.